Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your third grading long test. Let us now begin. Question number 1. It refers to the smallest particle of an element. The correct answer is atom. Question number 2. What do you call the process when a gas is changed to a liquid? The correct answer is condensation. Question number 3. Look at the image below. What do you call those elements pointed by letter A? Hint, it refers to the rows where each element belongs to. The correct answer is period or series. Question number 4. Study the image below. How can you describe the intermolecular force in the solid state? The correct answer is increase. Question number 5. Which of the following is true? The correct answer is atomic number is equal to number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Question number 6. When you mix vinegar and baking soda, it produces bubbles or gases, which indicates that chemical change takes place. What do you call that gas it forms? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 7. Which of the following explains why the pieces of paper are attracted when the balloon was put near them? The correct answer is the positively charged particles of the papers are attracted to the negatively charged particles of the balloon. Question number 8. Which of the following explains why the food color mixes with the water? The correct answer is there are so many empty spaces between each particle of water where the particles of food color occupy. Question number 9. Which of the following substances is more dense? Base your answer on the experiment video you have watched on the video lesson. The correct answer is syrup. Question number 10. Use the diagram below to answer the question. Which of the following statements is true about the atomic size of the elements? The correct answer is atomic size or radius decreases from left to right within a period. Question number 11. Based on the diagram below, what are the physical changes in matter that undergo exothermic process? The correct answer is deposition, condensation, and freezing. Question number 12. Look at the image below. What does the positive charge symbol mean? The correct answer is it means that sodium will lose 1 electron. Question number 13. Which of the following substances is the best example to show both the physical and chemical change? The correct answer is melting of a candle wax. Question number 14. Look at the image below. Which of the following sentences best describes the chemical structure of water in terms of atoms? The correct answer is 1 atom of oxygen and 2 atoms of hydrogen. Question number 15. What is the reason why the plunger is very easy to push forward? Look at the image below to guide you in your answer. The correct answer is because the gas particles inside the syringe are compressible. Question number 16. Study the image below. What can you conclude about the data presented in the table? The correct answer is water as a reference substance for specific gravity. Ice and cooking oil have lower specific gravity than water. Question number 17. It refers to the amount of energy released or absorbed when an electron is added to an atom to form a negative ion. The correct answer is electron affinity. Question number 18. Why is water cycle important? The correct answer is water cycle is important because it is necessary for all living things. Question number 20. Study the details of the element below. How many protons, electrons, and neutrons does magnesium have? The correct answer is the number of protons is 12, electron is 12, and neutron is 12. Question number 20. Which of the following undergoes chemical change? The correct answer is the composition of a dead body. Question number 21. Who is that scientist shown in the picture below? The correct answer is Erwin Schrödinger. Question number 22. Why is it heat and light are not matter? The correct answer is heat and light do not have mass and occupy space. Question number 23. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? The correct answer is milk. Question number 24. He is the father of the modern periodic table. The correct answer is Dmitri Mendeleev. Question number 25. The image below shows the simulation in the liquid state of matter. How can you describe the molecules of water in terms of the arrangement of the particles? The correct answer is the molecules of water are far from one another. Question number 26. Study the schematic diagram of magnesium oxide below. Which of the following is true about the magnesium ion and oxide ion? The correct answer is magnesium ion loses 2 electrons, then oxygen atom gains 2 electrons. Question number 27. When water undergoes electrolysis process, what kind of change will you see? The correct answer is chemical change. Question number 28. What do you call the negatively charged particles of an atom? The correct answer is electron. Question number 29. It refers to the amount of space that a substance or object occupies. The correct answer is volume. Question number 30. Which of the following statements is true about evaporation of water? The correct answer is, when the temperature rises, the molecules of water start to gain more kinetic energy, causing them to move faster. Question number 31. It refers to matter that changes from one state, solid, liquid, gas, to another state. The correct answer is phase change. Question number 32. What sign or indication will tell you that a banana undergoes chemical change? The correct answer is change of color. Question number 33. Whose atomic models is shown below? The correct answer is Joseph John Thomson. Question number 34. Look at the image below. What part of the element is pointed by letter C? The correct answer is atomic mass. Question number 35. What do you call the arrangement of the periodic table that Johann Alexander Newlands used? The correct answer is law of octaves. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a matter? The correct answer is heat. Question number 37. What will happen to syrup when you put it together with the water? Use your knowledge about the specific gravity to get the correct answer. The correct answer is the syrup will sink to the water. Question number 38. Which of the following is true about chemical change? The correct answer is it occurs when the composition of a substance having physical and chemical properties completely different from the original. Question number 39. Study the process of photosynthesis below. What can you conclude about this process in terms of chemical change? The correct answer is photosynthesis is an example of chemical change because there are new substances formed after the chemical reaction takes place. Question number 40. Study the diagram below. What do you call those particles pointed by the red arrow? Base your answer on the video lesson you have watched. The correct answer is protons. Question number 41. It refers to an atom that carries an electrical charge. The correct answer is ion. Question number 42. Study the diagram below. Which of the following statements is true about the ionization energy of the elements? The correct answer is the ionization energy increases from top to bottom within a group. Question number 43. Which is true about the three main phases of water? The correct answer is gas particles have the highest energy among the three phases of matter. Question number 44. Look at the image below. What type of substance is shown by these particles? The correct answer is element. Question number 45. Which of the following undergoes physical change? The correct answer is tearing the paper into pieces. Question number 46. Fermentation of milk is an example of chemical change. What sign or indication will tell you that it really undergoes chemical change process? The correct answer is formation of some solid materials. Question number 47. Who is that scientist shown below? The correct answer is Niels Bohr. Question number 48. If an atom gains electron, what will happen to the atoms of that element? The correct answer is it will have a negatively charged atom. Question number 49. Use the image below to identify the period, series, and group or family of gold. The correct answer is period 6, group 1b. Question number 50. It refers to those elements that have both the properties of metal and non-metal. The correct answer is metalloids. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 28 or above, congratulations! If your score is 27 or below, it means that you have to do your best for the next grading period so that you'll get a high score. Thank you for listening.